Welcome. In front of me I have ALCATEL 1B 2020 and I'm going to show you how you can check number of apps opened each day. So you have to go for the settings, scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing and parental controls. When we are here, we have to click to show our data, go for unlocks, and right now when you scroll down you can check how many times each app were opened. For example, Play Store were opened 7 times. You can go back for other days by tapping on this arrow, or go for previous week by swiping like that, this scale. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.